Now, systems such as MES, the historicans, and the automation layers must be tightly integrated, eliminating data silos.
So now when we actually speak about specifics of data transformation, so data transformation in pharma is often approached as a layer on top of existing infrastructure, right? From an architectural standpoint, what does it actually mean to design a facility that is digital first and not digitally enabled?
A digitally first facility must be conceived with data architecture as the primary source of design input.
Yeah.
And it cannot be an afterthought.
Okay.
So the objective must be to ensure that every critical control, critical process parameter, the equipment states, and the environmental conditions are inherently digitized, contextualized, and available in the real time.
Okay.
Now, this requires defining the process flow alongside the data flow, right from the design phase. Now, systems such as MES, the historicans, and the automation layers must be tightly integrated, eliminating data silos. The facility is structured to be capable of real-time release, continuous monitoring, and predictive controls. So this is how the digital first facility should be looked into. Now, unlike the retrofitted digitization, where the systems operate in parallel, digital first architecture will ensure that the physical operations and the digital intelligence are inseparable.
Okay. So, say we spoke about data integrity and data flow, right? So when we speak about data flow, are there any typical trade-offs in digital first facilities compared to a traditional facility?
A trade-off in the sense, digital first facilities has to be thought with the concept that yes, you're going for a digital facility from day one.
Mm-hmm.
If you try to have it as an afterthought, there are various challenges that you'll have to overcome.
Okay.
It will be like sometimes you'll have to live with some limitations of the existing facilities, which may not allow you to fully comply with the requirements and expectations of the digital first requirements.